Enforcement Directorate officers have visited our institutions. 3 institutions they have visited and also university. One Siddhartha Institute of Technology, Siddhartha Medical College at Tumkur, Siddhartha Medical College at Degur, and the Siddhartha Academy of Higher Education University. They have visited these institutions, and they have been, I was told from my officers, so my staff, they have been asking accounts of 4 years, 5 years, like that. So I instructed my staff to cooperate and give whatever they are asking, whatever information they are asking as far as the institutions are concerned. I have asked them to provide those informations. And they have collected, I was told that they have collected some information, and obviously they have questioned our account section, and of course it is still going on, and that's about it. And being a person who believes in the law of the country, law of the land, I believe in that, and whatever comes out of their verifications or such, whatever you call it, I am prepared to cooperate. I have instructed our staff, because it's an institution, it is not individual. So I have instructed them to cooperate and provide all the information.
Last night they have sent a press release that 40 lakh rupees from your institution account was paid to Rania Rao's credit card bills. They are linking this case to Rania Rao's investigation.
Now, I don't know. I do not want to comment at this point of time. Let the investigation complete, and they will also have to give us a report. No?
Yes.
After that, I will react.
Many of your senior,
I don't want to react necessarily.
Many of your senior leaders are saying that you are being targeted because you are a Dalit face of Karnataka Congress and also the next in charge for being the chief minister in race, and you are being targeted. Do you also?
I don't want to, at this point of time, I don't want to comment. There will be a time I will come out if it is necessary. I will not comment on that at this point of time.
Sir, you have called the ED's raids in the past, or ED's action in the past with regards to the Muda case is politically motivated. Do you feel this too is?
I don't know. As I said, I do not want to comment at this point of time. Let the investigation complete, and after that, there is a time to comment and analyze and say something about it.
So you purchased the land from farmers, saying that the land is undervalued, sir, for the institution.
No, it is
90
not.
lakhs, actually 140 lakhs.
See, there are authorities to see that. There is a sub-registrar to evaluate that. There is a system in the revenue department to see that whether it is undervalued or valued higher. This is a fair transaction has happened between HMS Institute and Siddhartha Institute. If there is anything, let them find out.
Overall, what do you like to say, sir? Do you think that?
No, I don't want to say anything at this point of time. Let the all I can say is let the investigation be complete.
Have they called you for questioning, sir? Anything is serious?
Thank you.